In this video, we're going to show clinical staff how to use the Joeyband for safe skin-to-skin support with premature babies in the NICU. First, we're going to show you how to do a seated transfer with the Joeyband. Ask the adult who will be doing skin-to-skin to sit down. Then open the Joeyband, unhooking the Velcro so that it is one long strip of fabric. Place the middle of the Joeyband behind the parent's back to allow for staff to transfer the baby to the chest. Note that the hook side of the Velcro is scratchy. We don't want that against the baby's skin, so ensure that you can close it with the loop side, the 3 long strips, against the baby first. Clinical staff will assist by moving the baby to the chest, ensuring the baby is positioned midline in proper kangaroo care position, that is above the breasts with baby's head turned to the side. Once the baby is in position, close the band snugly around the baby's back, ensuring that the baby is supported the whole time. Relax, recline, and enjoy extended kangaroo care safely and comfortably. Now we're going to show clinical staff how to do a standing transfer with the Joeyband. Involve the parent by having them gently lift their premature baby, allowing staff to slide the Joeyband underneath. Clinical staff will then slide the Joeyband under the baby, ensuring the hook side of the Velcro is facing up and the label is facing down. The parent will gently pick the baby up with the Joeyband. Staff will assist with cords and follow along with the CPAP. Staff will assist by holding the ends of the Joeyband as the parent lifts the baby into place and then wrap and secure the Velcro snugly and securely. Parent continues supporting the baby as they sit down and recline. Transferring the baby back to their bed. Return the recliner to an upright position and have the parent stand while supporting the baby. Staff will assist by opening the Velcro. The parent will then move to the baby's bedside and gently lower the baby down with the Joeyband. Gently lift the baby and slide the band out from underneath them, keeping it nearby for your next session of kangaroo care. Thanks for using Joeyband.